I've heard nothing but good things about these binoculars. First and foremost, I love the design of this. It has a camouflage color so it doesn't alarm animals. It also has a very comfortable grip and it's easy to focus and adjust. These binoculars are specifically designed for outdoor enthusiasts, bird watchers, hunters, and sports spectators who want a closer and clearer look. It zooms in 10 times closer to subjects, making it super easy to observe wildlife or sporting events. The objective lenses allows a bright and clear image even in low light conditions. It gathers more light, making these binoculars suitable even during dawn or dusk, which I love because I will use this during the sunset. Lenses are fully multi-coated to enhance image quality, reduce glare, and provide better contrast. It has a rubber armor, which is great for shock resistance and waterproofing for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Whether you're exploring nature, attending a sports event, or observing distant landscapes, this 10 by 50 binocular offers a versatile and reliable optical tool to enhance your viewing experience. I definitely recommend.